If you've ever reposted something on X and later decided you want it gone, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a retweet or repost from your X.com or Twitter profile in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want to clean up your profile, remove something you no longer want associated with your account, or just keep your timeline a little more organized. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open the X app on your phone, or if you're on a computer, go to x.com in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your profile. You can do this by tapping or clicking on your profile icon, then selecting your profile page. Now, once you're on your profile, scroll through your timeline until you find the repost or retweet that you want to remove. If you've been active for a while, you may need to scroll a little bit to locate the exact post. Take your time and make sure you found the correct one before you continue. When you see the repost, look for the repost icon at the bottom of the post. On X, this is usually the same icon used for reposting content, and it will show that the post has already been shared. Tap or click that repost icon, and a menu will appear. From that menu, choose Undo Repost. This is the option that removes the repost from your profile immediately. Once you select it, the repost will be removed, and it will no longer appear as part of your activity on your profile timeline. That's all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you've successfully removed a retweet or repost from your X profile. It's a simple process, but it's very handy when you want to keep your account tidy or undo something you shared by mistake. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more easy social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.